The Steam Deck, Valve's handheld PC that was made to give a big middle finger to Nintendo, are just their way of trying to innovate the handheld PC market. However you want to perceive this is your perception. But at the end of the day, when the Steam Deck first came out, it was a priority of mine to try to get one. Now, of course, years passed and I never got one for one reason or the other. But recently I decided to splurge a bit. And I ain't talking about nothing. No, I'm talking about I went out and I bought myself the 512 gigabyte OLED model Steam Deck for no apparent reason at all other than the fact that I wanted to get myself a Steam Deck. And in this video, you're gonna see why giving me technology in sharp metal objects is a terrible idea. But here is my first experience with a Steam Deck OLED edition. Everything in this video, by the way, is streamed live on twitch.tv/RexyCS. You know what? We don't need to post this. We can do a incognito stream here, boys. All right, so I just got back from vacation, and before I went on vacation, I ordered me something very special right over here. As you can see, the video quality is amazing. My desk is very clean. Definitely haven't squirted on this before. This frame is awful. It's so small. All right. So as you can see, it is from Valve Corp. To bitch-ass boy with no friends. Are they talking about me? I have many friends. I don't know what they're talking about. P.S. Keep wasting money on cases! Exclamation point. Loser. Did my dad send me this package? I'm so lost right now. I have no idea, but either way, we got ourselves this package here. It's a very special package. I also got some other stuff to go with it. Joystick. I got an SD card. I have no idea what the fuck this is. I think it's a charger. Another charger, since everyone that gets one of these bitches and complains that the charger that it comes with is ass. Why did my voice make that noise? So I got another charger. I think that's what that is. And I also got some screen protectors. Protect my screen. God, the video quality is 10 out of 10 on this. All right, let's crack into this. How the hell do you open this thing? Luckily, I got a tiger tooth karambit, guys. I got a tiger tooth karambit. I can easily open this thing up. Oh, I'm so excited right now. I'm shaking. What is this? Do y'all see the different languages? Is that them making fun of me still in different languages? Like, on the front of this box? What the hell? Oh, shit. Whoosh! Let me get the money shot here. Y'all ready? Money shot. Y'all see that? So this is the OLED model. I got the OLED one because I'm cool. And I'm like that. Alright, so that's the deck, I think. What the hell is this? I have no idea what that is. In a test chamber. We can play on this in a test chamber? There's like Chinese symbols and stuff in here, bro. I don't know what that means. They're probably talking mad shit in Chinese to me, which is fine. I don't understand it anyway. Alright, so what is this? What the fuck is that? Is there a point for this little piece of cardboard? Alright, so I'm guessing this is the charger it comes with, because there's a lightning bolt. Guessing the lightning bolt means charge. Wow, I'm so smart and intelligent. It's a charger. Is there anything else? There's a booklet. And that's it. Health and safety, maintenance, regulatory, and limited warranty and agreement information. Hardware. That's crazy. I'm gonna keep that over here in case I need it. So Steam Deck OLED, your games in a whole new light. And this is like reflective. That's kind of cool. Is that like with all the models? I have no idea. I don't fucking know anything about this thing. Oh, pop that Jimmy right through that. Oh, okay, we got it open. Now I gotta get this thing up. What else does this say? Should I... anything important? HEVC Advance. Covered by parents at patient list... I don't fucking know what I'm reading, dude. Okay, so here's the deck. My deck, guys. Here's my deck. So the logo is red in person, but on my camera it is orange. What the hell? That's like an optical illusion. It's straight up red in person, I swear to God. Dude, what the fuck are they doing? Why is there like a tag thing here? Do I really gotta break this off? Wait, can I open it with like this? Dude, what the fuck? I got it. Money shot. You ready? 3, 2, 1. Money shot. Whoa, you can see my face in the camp. You see that? Yo, who is that right there? So this is a Steam Deck. This is my first time ever holding one too. It feels good. It feels alright. I grew up on Xbox, so I'm not used to the like joysticks like this. I turn it on. It has an orange button. That means it's OLED. Watch this thing not even work. I bought it and like none of it works. Do I have to hold it? Oh, it vibrated. Oh, a light came on. A light came on, but nothing's on the screen. I'm gonna give it a second to see if it actually turns on or not. Whoa, what the hell? Yo, these things vibrate. This touchpad. Dude, that feels so weird. Oh, what? It turned on, it turned on, it turned on. See, that's red in real life. No, it's kind of orange, I guess. Never mind. It's kind of orange. Dude, that feels so weird. I like that. Oh, it stopped. Was it supposed to stop? Do I need to plug this thing in? I'm gonna plug it in and see if anything happens. I got this charger, I think. So let's open the charger. Oh, it's back on. What the fuck? Never mind. Fuck the charger. Welcome. Can you all see that? I don't know if anyone can see that. Welcome. We can do Chinese if we wanted. I don't know Chinese. Is that Chinese as well? I don't know. More Chinese, y'all. Is that Chinese? Anybody know? My favorite part is the touchpads. They like vibrated. They don't do it right now, but they did when I first started it up. Dude, I haven't used a controller in literally like 10 years. This is so weird. Dude, this thing feels really good in your hands, actually. So is this installing like straight up Steam, or is this like part of the Steam OS like download? Is it gonna make my pad? God, they don't vibrate now. Why? My favorite thing was how they were vibrating. So I got the Steam Deck because I'm addicted to Counter-Strike and I wanted to start playing other games, more like single player games. So I bought this and I'm gonna hope it lets me play single player games, or like my brain lets me play single player games, because that's the goal. I have like Red Dead Redemption 2 that I never played. I want to play Skyrim again. I haven't played that since middle school. What else did I want to play? I wanted to play a lot of the emulation games as well. Step away from CS for a little bit, even though I'll still play CS. This thing, I thought this thing would be bigger in person, I'm not gonna lie. Dude, it feels good in the hands. That's so weird. I wish the pads were working again, dude. That was so cool how it was vibrating. That made me feel special on the inside. Alright, while we wait for that, I'm gonna open up this other shit. Mostly the charger. Does it not have the wattage? This shit's straight from China. This shit is straight up from China. What the fuck is this? Is that the Statue of Liberty? Save this card to get free user support. 1 year warranty, 30-day return, 60-day replace. 24 hours within. The fuck does that mean? Okay, cool. That doesn't tell me shit. Okay, my Steam Deck is shutting down. Okay, cool. This is a big boy, by the way. This is a long boy. That's what she said. She never actually said that. My Steam Deck is still resetting, as you can see. I don't know what the fuck's going on with it. I like the logo is orange on this. It's like the other one, the LCD model. Is it like blue, I guess? Because I saw something that like this button is black on the LCD, and if it's orange, you know it's an OLED model. But I don't know about the like any of the other stuff. So I'm curious, like, is that like blue? Like on the case here, is it blue? I need to get the SD chip ready as well. Sign in as a QR code to sign into Steam. Sign in. Welcome to Steam Deck. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. Can I go back? How the fuck do I go back? Hello? Okay. I have no idea what it just said. I ain't gonna lie, I like the Steam OS layout where it's like this basically. You can't really see it that well on this camera because the camera's kind of shit. This looks fucking nice. Fuck. So I want Call of Duty Black Ops 3. That's one that I am gonna download to this. Counter-Strike unfortunately doesn't work on the Steam Deck that well, which is a good thing, and that's one of the reasons why I got it. How big is the mic? Why is this one huge? It's an adapter, that's why. I was about to say, why the fuck is there like a huge one and then there's a small one? Small one should be able to slide right into here, I think. Does it work? And it was at that moment I didn't even realize how badly I fucking installed that SD chip. You could even hear the sound. That should slide right in. And if I come here, I want to install Black Ops 3 for an example. 175 gigabytes, dude? Are you fucking out of your mind? Fuck it. I'm going to install it to the SSD drive. What the fuck? 175 5.2 gigabytes. It doesn't tell me where I want to install it to. I have the SD chip. How the fuck? Did I put this in right? How do I take it out? Dude, this is fuck. How the fuck do I take the SD chip out? It's not working. How to remove SD chip?
I'm going to show you how to insert and remove your micro SD card on your Steam Deck and just press it in.
Huh? I did that. I gotta use my Karambit Tiger Tooth. Gang, I think I fucked up. I think I fucked up bad. The thing is stuck in there. I don't really want to use that to get it out though. And the sad and unfortunate truth is that Tiger Tooth Karambit was honestly the only viable choice of getting the SD chip out of the device. I'm gonna go get tweezers to get this fucking SD chip out. With some tweezers, it says you should just be able to press in and it comes out, but it's not, so I think I put it in wrong. These tweezers aren't working either. This isn't good, guys. Shit, dude. How did I fuck that up so bad? Now, before everyone freaks out, this should be the part where I tell you, do not do what I do. But instead, I'm going to say absolutely nothing and let everyone freak out. I don't think this is a good SD chip to use. I don't think it works. I do not think it works at all. See, I can't even format the SD card. It's not even reading it. Is this a bad SD chip for this one? Do I need to get another one? Something's not right with that. Let me rip it out again. Let me clear that out. We're gonna buy another SD chip. We're not gonna fuck around with this one. All right, let me first start off. Never put a sharp metal object into a device that is turned on. That's rule number 1. And second off, it's my fucking device, so I'll do whatever the fuck I want to do. If I want to electrocute myself to death, you're goddamn right, I'm gonna do it in style. Also, I got 2 new SD chips, and they work perfectly fine. I honestly have no idea what the hell was wrong with that SD chip, but it would not go in properly at all. This one's kind of ass. Okay. Cool. That was a waste of money. All right, let me go look at SD chips. I need to buy one of those. Amazon. My best friend. 13% off for a 2 gigabyte fucking SD chip. It makes it $160. I'm gonna go fuck myself sideways. Thank you so much, Amazon. Please, why doesn't it want to work? Oh, now it works. Huh? Best viewers on streamboo.com. Hey, bro, do me a favor and stop fucking typing that shit out. No one gives a fuck about viewers and shit, bro. I really just don't give a fuck, dude. But I still can't format the SD card. I think I broke it. I'm just gonna go on, I'm just gonna be honest with you all. I think it's broke. I think it's done for. There's a hole in it. That's what I get for trying to buy the cheapest fucking SD card on the market right there. I'm gonna fucking ban this guy. I don't want to see his fucking message anymore. Alright, I learned a lesson today. Don't use a Karambit Tiger Tooth to try to open a SD card. Alright, after the clusterfuck of the SD chip incident, I was able to get a few games downloaded to the Steam Deck. Pinboy Aim Trainer. Oh, it is supported! Oh! I can't show that on stream. And I'll be honest, I did not see the Steam Deck being a main device that I would always use. But after using the Steam Deck, I actually fell in love. I think it's more just having it in your hand and playing it like that. I kind of like it, and it brings me back to my primal roots of when I used to play on a console. And I think it's honestly a great device. For the price range you can get a Steam Deck, I think it's perfect, especially for the OLED version. The LCD is no longer with us, rest in peace. But I did buy one for my girlfriend right before they went out of stock. What do you think about your Steam Deck, Maria?
I like it.
That's it?
Yeah, it's really good.
And there you have it, folks. Now to start with, I've been playing a lot of games that I never really saw myself playing. I've been playing a lot of Baldur's Gate 3, a game I never thought I would touch. I started playing the Doom games. The first Doom, by the way, is an absolute banger. I just beat it. And I also got into a bit of the emulation side of it. FPS-wise, I get around 60 FPS straight up with like everything I've been playing. Yeah, it'll dip below that. It might go to like 40 FPS on some games here and there. but it's really not noticeable at all. And with that, it gets me really excited for the new lineup of hardware that Valve's going to be coming out with. Mostly the Steam frame. I really want that Steam frame. The Steam machine's up in the air. It really depends on how much they price that thing. Might just get it for the novelty of it. And on top of that, it's my first experience with the Linux OS. I never used the Linux before. I've always been a Microsoft cum slut. Why did I say it like that? I'm just a Microsoft fanboy. Is that better? And honestly, I'm still kind of getting used to the Linux side of it. I'm not really going to talk too much about it because I don't know too much about Linux, but it's kind of dope. It gives me my first experience with it. And that's all I really want to say in the review. I have to give the Steam Deck a 9 out of 10. There are some flaws with SteamOS, some bugs here and there that I run into. It's not the most flawless operating system, but I do like it more than Windows so far. A lot less clunky, and there's not a lot of background stuff that like completely bends my RAM over a desk and fucks it. So for that, I give SteamOS a little bit of leverage over Microsoft, but at the end of the day, Windows still reigns supreme, so I can't really say too much about it. And yeah, this is my first experience with the Steam Deck. Tune in for more when I actually start to upgrade my Steam Deck, which is coming up very soon. Also, when the new Valve hardware comes out, I'll be there. GG's.